So here we are, the final result of the color restoration and detail of this 301 Cat Mini Excavator. It's all polished up. All these lines were polished. Right on through. There's the lines. It's obvious you can't get at the boom at every single crack unless you take everything off, but this thing looks really good. Looks pretty new. Did a full correction, compound, polish, all in one sealer glaze. Nice panels. These are, metal, so these are all shined up, nice and clean. And I actually polished this mat a little bit. I burnished it with a foam pad. Put a little color into it. Polished up the roll cage, the sealer, and I did wash the roof. Of course, it's always seems to be nighttime when I finish these. And it's in the garage. But it is just as shiny as can be. You can see the reflection of everything off the panels. Clean the engine as well. If you can see that too well, but the lighting isn't that great. But it's spotless clean. Not a speck of dirt in there. I had a little trouble with the counterweight, the iron. There's not much you can do with the iron because the paint on it's, it's like stove paint. So it's nice shiny lines. Every single line that I could get my hands on got polished. If I wanted to make a real mess, I could polish them down even further. But I don't feel like getting everything all black. And that's what happens when you polish this. It blacks, flies everywhere. So there it is. Next excavator is going to be a 305.5, I think it is, with glass cab. And that's coming in here next. A couple more days. And going to do the same thing. That one's a little more oxidized, so we'll see what happens. Thanks for looking.